Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the coolest life hacks and tips to make your everyday life a little bit easier and a lot more fun. Have you ever had that perfect bottle of wine but no corkscrew? It's a total buzzkill, right? You're all set for a relaxing evening or a fun gathering with friends, and then you realize you can't open the bottle. That moment of panic, we've all been there. You start rummaging through drawers hoping to find something, anything, that might work. But nothing seems to do the trick. But don't worry, I've got a simple, ingenious trick to save the day. No more stressing out or running to the store for a corkscrew. Today, I'm showing you how to open a wine bottle with just a lighter. Yes, you heard that right, a lighter. It's quick, easy, and you'll be amazed at how well it works. Here's how. First, grab your wine bottle and a lighter. Any standard lighter will do. No need for anything fancy. Make sure you're heating the upper part of the cork, right where the air pocket is. This is key to making the cork pop out smoothly. Hold the lighter flame close to the neck of the bottle, just below the cork. You want to heat the glass evenly, so keep the flame moving around the neck. Keep turning the bottle slowly and steadily while heating. This ensures that the heat is distributed evenly around the neck of the bottle. This is crucial. You want that heat to be evenly distributed. Now, safety first. The neck of the bottle will get hot, so be careful and let it cool before you touch it. The neck of the bottle will get hot, so be careful and let it cool before you touch it. You don't want to burn yourself in the process. You'll see the cork start to move out with a bit of force, so stand back and watch the magic happen. It's like a mini science experiment right in your kitchen, and just like that, your wine is ready to be enjoyed. Pour yourself a glass and savor the moment. You've earned it. This trick is perfect if you collect corks too, no damage at all. The cork comes out clean and intact, ready to be added to your collection. Plus, it only takes a few minutes. No more struggling with makeshift tools or spending ages trying to pry the cork out. If you found this tip helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing hacks. We've got plenty more tricks up our sleeve to make your life easier. And hey, drop a comment below about your own wine opening experiences. I'd love to hear them. Have you tried this lighter trick before? Or do you have another go-to method? Cheers to solving problems in the most ingenious ways. Here's to more fun hacks and tips that make life a little bit easier and a lot more enjoyable. See you in the next video. Until then, happy wine opening and enjoy every sip. Bye for now.